Come test drive the 2018 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, HID headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, tires front all season, tires rear all season, smart device integration, keyless entry. Your new ride is just a phone call away.